Nupi Angang bu tamthin hatpa Kuki terrorist sing fangnaba operation Chatthaba Houre atubada leikidaba singya chumba wayal piragani haina Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren na fongdokre ngasi Chief Minister and Biren gi social media gi account X ta thagalakiba video clip amada Chief Minister na makha taraduna numidadu da khulai matik chana paiba terrorist nimfu yang khairomna Jiribam gi boro bekrada leiba relief camp ta changzafam lawriba miyoi singda landarakibani tasengna Kuki terrorist sing gi pandamasi mafam adu da leiriba miyoi singi wakalda aki tuzungba pokhanbani adubu mafam adu da leiriba CRPF singna matam chana khut handuna Kuki terrorist tarabuna hatlaga boro bekragi miyoi cha kaya amagi punsi kan kibadu thagatningai ni haina fongdoki pikliba angang ahum galoinana nupi ahum minungsi leitana hatkhibagi thawong asi malemgi atai mafam amata da leiramloi loinana central lengakna Manipur da santi purakna bohonaduna ahenba security force thabirakpagi damak hainingai leitada nungaiba fawi haina fongdoki.
Today, I stand here with profound sadness and anger to condemn the horrific killing of 3 innocent children and 3 innocent women by the Kuki terrorists after being taken hostage at Jiribam. Such barbaric acts have no place in any civilized society. Let me assure you that the hunt for these terrorists is currently underway and they will be brought to justice very soon. I also thank my central leaders for their relentless commitment to bring peace in the state. Apart from the existing forces deployed in the state, the central government has recently sent 20 companies of Central Armed Police Forces. Further, an additional 50 companies being sent to strengthen security and restore peace. We will continue to take every necessary step to ensure the safety of our peoples, irrespective of which community we belong to. Let us all condemn such barbaric violence in the strongest term. The killing of innocent women and children is a crime against humanity, and such acts can never be justified. Together we will overcome this dark time and work towards a more peaceful future.